So I foolishly bought 60 eggs from Costco recently, and I'm trying to figure a way to use them all before I go to bed. This thing's giving me trypophobia. I've had this thing of butter in my fridge for like a year. No joke. Butter doesn't go bad in the fridge, does it? You guys let me know. Whoa! Ooh! I've been really liking this one lately. Mm. I freeze my scallions. Mm. So speaking of things that I found in my fridge that's probably stayed in there for way too long, I also these two dudes. I don't know if you guys tried is the fermented bean curd. It's pretty good. Looks like it looks like this. And we usually just eat it with like congee or honestly anything. It's like a side dish flavor enhancer. Mm. It's really creamy. And it's got this, is it alkali? Is that what it's called? That taste? A little spicy, salty, and like a hint of alcohol as well. What do you guys do for fried rice? Honestly, this isn't even typically what I have in my fridge. I just recently did a big Costco shop, so I have like little extras of everything. Can't go wrong with processed food and fried rice. I feel like fried rice is one of those things where it's like I could keep eating really, really quickly and not realize that I'm full. Very little self-control when it comes to food. Oh, it only expired in May this year. Pretty sure I bought this 4 years ago, though.